I'm Josh for the Just One Plant series. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a really great non-alcoholic muddled cocktail using fresh basil. So for this, you're going to need some fresh basil, of course, fresh lemons, black tea, ginger beer, and a glass of your choosing. I'm using an old-fashioned glass. So we're going to be using a technique called muddling. So with muddling, you're expressing flavor into your drink, which will kind of replace a simple syrup. So to make this, I'm going to take some fresh basil and place it at the bottom of my glass, 2 lemon wedges, and then some honey. With muddling, you always want to make sure that you're muddling into something because we're essentially creating a quick little syrup instead of having to take the time to boil. As I'm pressing this, I'm introducing the flavor of the basil into the lemon and the honey, making sure to not press too hard because I don't want to overly macerate. Once that's all put together, I'm going to add a little bit of freshly brewed black tea, about 4 ounces. I'm going to top it off with a little bit of ice. And then to finish, some nice spicy ginger beer. So there's already some really great basil aromatics coming from just pressing it in with the lemon and the honey, but to give it a little extra boost, I'm going to use some basil as a garnish. And to express those oils, I just need to give my basil a nice little smack. Place that toward the back of the glass, and that's it. A non-alcoholic Bumble Tea using fresh basil.